Hey guys, what's up? This is Travis with Accelerated Autos, and today we are going to work on our gold GTI that we're flipping. If you've been watching KB Motors channel, he's been doing the engine breakdown, but today we are going to start cleaning and detailing the interior because it is rather roachy.
Like roaches, dude? Where?
Alright, so here we go. You probably can't smell it like I can, but somebody was flying high in this GTI until they blew the motor. So we're gonna clean it up, steam clean it, detail it, make it look really nice. We'll probably pull the seats so we can get underneath. We gotta pull the roof tray out to do the headliner. Hopefully get the inside done before Kevin finishes with the engine. So this thing will be ready to go. All right, let's get into it. Lucky 8 ball. They're probably driving along high. What's that sound? What's that metal banging noise? I don't know, man. Let's just keep going. Thankfully, it's really not that dirty, like stained as far as I could tell. It's mostly just like dirt and sand, ash. Inhaler, so they smoke cigarettes, smoke weed, and need an inhaler. Who would have thought?
pressure and mistakes. Wanted better, nothing to remember, so I'm freeing up my brain. Take me flying, bring me the horizon.
All right, so we got everything vacuumed up, the rugs, the seats, all the trash and crumbs and stuff off the floor. So now let's go ahead and clean up the dashboard, center console, the door panels, the door seals. Let's make everything look really nice and clean. We'll use a combination of Armor All and Simple Green or whatever we got. But so far looking pretty good. It just still stinks in there a little bit. But yeah, we'll get it nice and clean. got the car cleaned and at least mostly detailed. You could probably use a fine cleaning. It's just there's some leftover dust and stuff, but you know, not too bad. The seats and dash and floor came out pretty good. We have some floor mats that we'll throw in, and that will make it look even better. Next, we're going to put in an ozone machine to help get rid of some of the marijuana smell, make it smell a little bit better. So let's go ahead and throw that in there. All right, this is the ozone machine. It's easy enough. You set it in. Go ahead and shove it right there. Turn the timer up to max. You don't want to breathe this in. It's not good to breathe. And just shut the door. Okay, with a plug sticking out, and take the end of this, plug it in. Boom. Now it's on. See the lights on, and that's going to be going for about 3 hours, and that should hopefully get the smell out of there and make it nice and good smelling in there. All right guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned to Kevin's channel, KB Motors, if you want to see how the motor turns out and the build of the car turns out. All right guys, thank you. See ya.